Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're going to cover how to hide photos from your gallery and then how to access those hidden photos later down the road. Also, we're going to cover how to unhide photos if you want to unhide any hidden photo down the road in the future. Pretty easy. It's a few simple steps. I'll take you to my phone screen. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, before we begin the video, if you're new here, do consider subscribing. It helps a lot. And with that, let's go to my phone screen and learn how to hide and unhide photos on an iPhone. So to hide a photo on an iPhone, first of all, you need to go into your photos and then select the photo that you want to hide. Now, in order to do this, you need to first tap on the select button, which is on the top right corner of your screen. So tap select and then select the photo that you want to hide. So let's say if I want to hide these three photos, I would select these three photos. After that, on the bottom left corner of your screen, you see this share button. You need to click on the share button. After you tap on the share button, scroll down and you're going to see an option that says hide. You need to tap on this. Once you tap on it, it's going to give you a message that these photos will be hidden, but you can find these photos in the hidden album and you can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. For now, we're going to click hide three photos. So I've tapped hide three photos and we don't see those photos here anymore, which means that those photos are hidden. So if your phone is with a family member, any kids, and you don't want these photos to be visible in your gallery, these photos are not visible here. Now, how can you access these photos? We're going to talk about that now. So you would first of all need to go into your albums, and that is the third option on the bottom of your screen. Tap albums and then scroll down and you're going to see an option that says hidden under utilities. So tap hidden and here are all the photos that I've hidden so far. Now that's how you access photos that are hidden on your phone. And let's say you want to send some of these photos back to gallery. So let's say if I want to send 2 to 3 photos from here, so I'll tap select again to select photos. So 1, 2 and 3. So let's say if I want to send these 3 photos back to gallery, I've selected the photos. Now on the bottom left corner, select the share button again, tap on the share button again, and then scroll down and you get an option where you had the option to hide, you have an option to unhide these photos. Just tap unhide and as you guys can see that these photos moved back to gallery again. And if we go back in the gallery, we can see that these photos are back in the gallery. So that's how you hide or unhide photos on an iPhone. If you have any questions related to this, let me know in the comments section. I try and read all your comments and answer all of your questions. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, again, do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.